Academic standards require fixed details, but digital television often hides production metadata behind scrolling menus and auto-playing trailers. Vague citations make it difficult for readers to verify your evidence. If a reviewer cannot find the exact episode or scene you are discussing, your research loses its supporting context. To prevent this, we are going to build a precise, Harvard-formatted television reference from scratch in under 6 minutes. You will need 3 things to begin: the specific television program, active access to the platform, and the Harvard Reference Generator interface. Mastering this protocol ensures you can treat media sources with the same level of academic rigor as a traditional textbook. Before gathering data, we identify where your reference fits within a television series hierarchy. Discussing general themes uses a series-level citation, requiring only the series title, release years, and broadcaster. A specific plot point needs episode-level data, episode title, season, and production credits. Referencing a precise scene mandates a timestamp. A common error is using a series citation when your argument relies on a specific quote. Establishing the correct scope now prevents you from having to rebuild your entire bibliography later. For a standard episode, we must collect specific markers: the episode title and year, the writer and director, the series title, season and episode number, and the broadcaster. Most streaming interfaces display these details near the episode thumbnail. The season and episode numbers are highlighted here, appearing just before the individual episode title. You must also identify the specific writer and director for the episode you are citing. These roles often change between episodes, so do not rely on the overall series credits. You can find these credits by scanning the opening title sequence or checking the scrolling text at the very end of the episode. Extracting these granular details allows you to properly attribute the work within a highly collaborative medium. Streaming platforms introduce new variables, like expiring licenses and changing URLs, that traditional television broadcast records never required. To account for this, your reference must include the platform name, the exact URL for the episode, and the date you accessed it. Ensure you copy the link for the specific episode page, rather than a generic link to the platform's home screen. Once you have these markers, input the data precisely into the corresponding fields within the Harvard Reference Generator. Documenting these digital variables ensures that even if a platform changes its library, your reader knows exactly when and where your source was viewed. The generator will now provide the finalized citation text, formatted specifically for a Harvard-style bibliography. This visualization shows how the data is organized. We have the who in the credits, the when in the year, the what in the titles, and the where in the platform and URL. Finally, copy this verified text and integrate it into your bibliography, making sure it follows the alphabetical order of your other sources. This process is now complete. You can use these same steps for other complex formats, such as podcasts or radio broadcasts. Following this systematic approach ensures that your television references meet the same professional standards as your academic print sources.